For millennia, humanity has looked to the skies, a vast and seemingly untouchable realm. We observed the effortless flight of birds, the silent drift of clouds, and dreamt of one day joining them. That dream, once a flicker in the depths of our imagination, has now been realized on a scale that our ancestors could never have conceived. We have not simply learned to fly, we have built our own titans, colossal beings of metal and wire that command the very air they cleave through. These are the giants of our modern world, the largest and most magnificent flying machines ever created by human hands. Today, we embark on a remarkable journey, a global safari to witness these airborne leviathans. We will count down the 10 biggest aeroplanes to have ever graced our planet's atmosphere. These are not mere vehicles. They are marvels of engineering, testaments to our relentless ambition to conquer the vertical frontier. Each one tells a story of innovation, of immense power, and of the intricate dance between physics and human ingenuity. From continent to continent, we will explore these incredible structures, which dwarf all other forms of transport. This exploration will take us beyond their awe-inspiring exteriors. We will venture inside into the cavernous hearts of these machines to reveal the designs that allow them to perform their extraordinary tasks. We will see cargo holds vast enough to swallow entire trains, and passenger cabins that resemble flying palaces, spread across multiple decks. We will uncover the secrets of their construction, the sources of their power, and the specific purposes for which they were born. It is a world hidden from most, a world of immense scale and complexity, and as we meet each of these giants, we will also reveal its origins, the nation that can lay claim to its creation and ownership. For these are not just triumphs of engineering, but also symbols of national pride and industrial might. From the workshops of Europe to the vast factories of America and the historic design bureaus of Eastern Europe, we will trace their lineage. So prepare for a journey into a world of superlatives, where size truly does matter. Our countdown of the 10 biggest planes begins now. Meet the Antonov An-225 Maria, Ukrainian for Dream. The world's largest and heaviest aircraft, powered by 6 massive engines, built to carry the Soviet Buran space shuttle. A one-of-a-kind giant, it became a symbol of Ukrainian engineering, transporting the heaviest cargo and inspiring awe wherever it flew. To truly comprehend the Maria's scale, one must venture inside its colossal fuselage. Here, the concept of space is redefined. The main cargo hold was a cavern of breathtaking dimensions, a single uninterrupted space measuring over 43 meters long, 6.4 meters wide, and 4.4 meters high. To stand within it was to feel dwarfed by its sheer volume, an experience akin to standing inside a cathedral dedicated to logistics. This was not merely a cargo bay, it was a mobile warehouse, capable of swallowing loads that no other aircraft could even contemplate lifting from the ground. The capacity of this internal space was simply staggering. It could accommodate up to 50 cars, or the entire fuselage of a smaller passenger jet, or massive industrial components like wind turbine blades and power plant generators. Its floor was reinforced to handle immense point loads, and a complex system of overhead cranes and winches was integrated into its structure, allowing for the precise positioning of cargo weighing hundreds of tons. Access was granted through a remarkable lifting nose cone, which hinged upwards to reveal the full cross-section of the hold, allowing cargo to be driven directly on board. This aircraft was designed for the ultimate challenge. On one historic occasion, it airlifted a single generator for a gas power plant weighing 189 tons, the heaviest single air cargo item ever transported. On another, it carried the longest piece of air cargo, 2 42-meter-long test wind turbine blades. These were not just records, they were demonstrations of a unique capability, a service to global industry that only the Maria could provide. It connected the world in a way no other vehicle could, moving the immovable and making the impossible possible. The Maria was therefore more than just a record holder for its size, it was a critical enabler of global projects. Its existence meant that vast, single-piece components could be manufactured in one continent and delivered, ready for assembly, to another. It reduced construction times, solved logistical nightmares, and expanded the horizons of what could be built and where. The immense cavity within its fuselage was a void that the world's industries rushed to fill, a testament to the fact that if you build something with unparalleled capability, the demand will surely follow. From the solitary giant of cargo, we turn to the undisputed king of passenger travel. Our number 2 is a machine designed not to carry the inanimate, but to transport humanity itself in unprecedented numbers and comfort. This is the Airbus A380, the world's largest passenger airliner. Born from the collective ambition of a European consortium, Airbus, it was conceived to challenge the dominance of its rivals and to offer a new vision for long-haul travel. Its most defining feature is immediately apparent. It is a true double-decker, with 2 full-length passenger decks stretching from nose to tail. This twin-deck configuration is the key to its immense capacity. In a typical 3-class layout, the A380 can comfortably seat around 550 passengers, but in a high-density, all-economy configuration, it is certified to carry over 850 souls. This makes it a veritable city in the sky. To walk the length of both its decks is to traverse a distance of nearly 100 meters, passing by more people than live in some small villages. It represents the pinnacle of mass air transit, an elegant solution to the ever-growing demand for international travel between the world's major hub airports. The interior of the A380 was a blank canvas for the world's leading airlines, and they used it to redefine the meaning of luxury in the air. The sheer amount of space allowed for innovations previously unimaginable. Some carriers installed lavish first-class suites, complete with private bedrooms and closing doors. Others created onboard lounges and stand-up bars, social spaces where passengers could mingle at 35,000 feet. There were even instances of full shower spas being installed, offering a level of opulence that blurred the line between air travel and a 5-star hotel experience. This flying palace is a product of pan-European collaboration. Its massive components, wings from the UK, fuselage sections from France and Germany, tailplanes from Spain, are built across the continent. These pieces are then transported by a fleet of specially designed ships and barges to the final assembly line in Toulouse, France. The A380 is therefore not just an aircraft. It is a symbol of European integration and industrial cooperation, a testament to what can be achieved when different nations pool their expertise and resources to create something truly magnificent. Despite its colossal size and 4 powerful engines, one of the most remarkable characteristics of the Airbus A380 is its quietness. Engineers at Airbus placed an enormous emphasis on reducing noise, both inside the cabin and on the ground. Advanced materials and sound-dampening insulation were used throughout the airframe, creating a serene passenger experience. The gentle hum inside the A380 cabin is often noted by travelers, a stark contrast to the roar experienced on older generations of jumbo jets. It is a quiet giant, gliding through the stratosphere with a grace that belies its mass. This focus on passenger comfort extends to the very air they breathe. The A380 features an advanced air filtration system that recycles the cabin air every 2 minutes, ensuring a fresh and clean environment throughout long-haul flights. The cabin is also pressurized to a lower equivalent altitude than most other aircraft, which combined with higher humidity levels, helps to reduce the fatigue and dehydration associated with air travel. Every detail, from the size of the windows to the ambient lighting systems, was meticulously designed to make the journey as pleasant as the destination. The flight deck of the A380 is a technological marvel, a shared space with other Airbus models that allows for greater pilot cross-compatibility. Large interactive digital displays dominate the cockpit, providing the 2-person flight crew with a comprehensive overview of the aircraft's systems and flight path. While the aircraft is immense, its fly-by-wire flight control system makes it surprisingly nimble and easy to handle for the pilots. The technology is designed to reduce workload and increase situational awareness, ensuring the safe and efficient operation of this super jumbo. While production of the A380 has now ceased, its legacy as a game-changer in passenger aviation is secure. It pushed the boundaries of comfort, scale, and efficiency, forcing airports to upgrade their infrastructure to accommodate its vast wingspan and passenger loads. For the millions who have flown on it, the A380 represents a golden age of air travel, a time when the journey itself was an event to be savored. It remains a majestic sight in our skies, a floating double-decker palace, and a true European giant of aviation. The Boeing 747-8, the latest queen of the skies, is a marvel of engineering and evolution. Its iconic hump and advanced wings symbolize decades of innovation. Inside, a digital cockpit merges human skill with technology, guiding this legendary aircraft across continents. The 747-8 remains a living piece of aviation history, soaring above the clouds. The Boeing 747's iconic upper deck is a realm of space and power, offering a serene, exclusive lounge above the clouds. Its sheer scale and advanced Gen X engines make it a marvel of modern engineering. The Queen of the Skies remains a symbol of innovation and enduring legacy in aviation. Meet the Lockheed C-5M Super Galaxy, America's largest and most powerful military airlifter. Built for strength, it projects power and delivers aid anywhere on Earth. Its visoring nose and rear ramps swallow tanks, helicopters, and supplies whole. Upgraded engines give it unmatched range and power. The C-5M is a symbol of global reach, ready to respond anywhere, anytime. The C-5M Super Galaxy's cockpit fuses human skill with advanced technology. Its glass cockpit and digital avionics provide pilots with a clear, integrated view and critical assistance. This technology lets crews focus on the mission, not just flying. The Super Galaxy is a true heavyweight built for outsized cargo and global reach. It stands as a powerful sentinel, projecting strength and support worldwide. From the vast plains of Eastern Europe emerges another titan of the cargo world, a machine born of a different design philosophy, but with a similar awe-inspiring purpose. This is the Antonov An-124 Ruslan, for many years the largest serially manufactured cargo aircraft in the world. With its high-mounted wings and robust landing gear, it is designed to operate not just from pristine runways, but also from the austere and semi-prepared airstrips found in the most remote parts of the globe. Its very form speaks of ruggedness and reliability, a workhorse built to endure. The An-124 shares a key design feature with its American counterpart, the C-5, the ability to load and unload cargo simultaneously from both the front and the rear. Its nose also hinges upwards, revealing a cavernous maw, while a large ramp extends from the tail. This dual-aperture design significantly speeds up ground operations, a critical advantage in commercial charter and military logistics, where time is always a precious commodity. The aircraft can kneel on its complex 24-wheel landing gear, lowering its fuselage to make the loading of heavy-wheeled vehicles a much simpler affair. Developed in the final years of the Soviet Union by the Antonov Design Bureau in Ukraine, the Ruslan was originally intended for military strategic airlift. It was designed to transport tanks, missile launchers, and entire battalions of troops across the vast expanse of the Soviet Empire. However, with the changing geopolitical landscape, the An-124 found a new and highly successful life in the civilian world. Its immense heavy-lift capabilities made it the aircraft of choice for transporting uniquely large and heavy cargo, such as industrial turbines, mining equipment, and even entire satellites. The Ruslan's cargo hold is a cathedral of empty space, a voluminous chamber that beggars belief. It is equipped with a system of overhead cranes capable of lifting tens of tons, which run the entire length of the hold. This internal lifting capability means the aircraft is remarkably self-sufficient, able to load and unload massive items without the need for specialized ground equipment at its destination. This unique feature has made the An-124 an indispensable tool for industries operating in underdeveloped regions, cementing its reputation as a go-anywhere, carry-anything giant of the skies. The legacy of the An-124 is deeply intertwined with its Ukrainian origins. The Antonov company, based in Kiev, has a long and proud history of designing exceptionally large aircraft. The Ruslan is a direct product of this expertise, a testament to the skill and ingenuity of its engineers. Following the dissolution of the Soviet Union, the An-124 became a symbol of the new commercial opportunities opening up to the east, operated by Ukrainian, Russian, and other specialized cargo airlines that carved out a niche in the global outsize freight market. While its cockpit retains a more traditional analog-heavy design compared to its Western contemporaries, it is a space of immense complexity, requiring a crew of up to 6 people including pilots, flight engineers, and a navigator. This larger crew reflects a design philosophy that emphasizes human oversight and system redundancy. Navigating this colossal aircraft through the world's skies is a team effort, a carefully choreographed ballet of checks and cross-checks that ensures the safe passage of the aircraft and its priceless cargo across thousands of miles of ocean and land. The An-124's story is also one of incredible resilience. Despite the cessation of new production for many years, the existing fleet continues to provide a vital service around the world. These aircraft are maintained and upgraded, their airframes managed with meticulous care to extend their operational lives. They are a common sight at industrial hubs and disaster zones, their distinctive shape and the deep roar of their 4 Lotarev D-18T engines heralding the arrival of cargo that simply could not be delivered by any other means. They are the unsung heroes of global logistics. In the global fleet of heavy lifters, the An-124 Ruslan holds a special and revered place. It is a bridge between 2 eras of aviation design, a machine of immense strength and surprising versatility. While it was once the largest transport aircraft in production, it was also the direct predecessor to an even larger giant, the one-of-a-kind and 225 Maria, which was built upon the Ruslan's fundamental design. The An-124's enduring presence in our skies is a powerful tribute to its robust engineering and its irreplaceable ability to lift the heaviest burdens of our modern world. In the vast skies, evolution takes unexpected forms. Meet the Airbus Beluga XL, a gentle giant inspired by the beluga whale, designed to carry massive aircraft parts across Europe. Its unique shape is pure function, swallowing whole the wings of an A350. The Beluga XL is a flying whale, ensuring the future of flight. Loading the Beluga XL is a ballet of precision. Specialized vehicles deliver massive wings and tail fins, guided into place with care. Once sealed, the Beluga XL, powered by Rolls-Royce engines, ascends, connecting factories across Europe. This airborne leviathan is the lifeblood of aircraft manufacturing, a testament to engineering and teamwork. In the world of aviation, adaptation is constant. The Boeing Dreamlifter is a magnificent example of adaptation. Born from the legendary Boeing 747, it was transformed to carry massive Dreamliner parts. This radical design tripled its interior volume. A flying warehouse, it meets global manufacturing needs. The Dreamlifter is a testament to innovation. The Dreamlifter's most extraordinary feature is its tail, which swings open to reveal a cavernous cargo bay. Using the world's longest cargo loader, massive aircraft parts are rolled inside with incredible precision. Once loaded, the Dreamlifter takes flight, connecting factories across the globe. This fleet of 4 Titans is vital to building the Dreamliner, a true marvel of industrial innovation. Forged in Russia's vast, harsh landscapes, the Ilyushin Il-76 is a symbol of rugged reliability. Its high wings, robust landing gear, and cavernous interior allow it to operate anywhere, icy Arctic dusty deserts or remote runways. Adaptable and tough, the Il-76 serves military, civilian, and humanitarian roles across the globe. The Il-76's massive rear ramp and clamshell doors allow vehicles and heavy cargo to be loaded with raw mechanical power. No frills, just winches, chains, and manpower. Its 4 roaring engines and rugged design have made it indispensable in conflict zones, disaster relief, and remote operations for decades. The Il-76 is a survivor, tough, adaptable, and truly a giant of the sky. The Lockheed Martin LM-100J Super Hercules is a modern evolution of a legendary design, the C-130 Hercules. For over 60 years, this aircraft has symbolized rugged reliability, thriving in the world's harshest environments. Now, the LM-100J brings that legacy to commercial and humanitarian missions, bridging remote outposts and global hubs with unmatched versatility. It's a true multi-tool of the skies, adaptable, powerful, and indispensable. Step inside the Super Hercules cockpit and witness a digital revolution. Gone are the analog dials. Now, glass displays and advanced avionics provide pilots with unmatched clarity and control. 4 powerful Rolls-Royce engines and scimitar-shaped propellers deliver efficiency and strength. The LM-100J is a modern legend, blending rugged heritage with cutting-edge technology for a new era of flight. Meet the Stratolaunch Rock, a twin-fuselage giant with the world's widest wingspan, built not for passengers, but to launch rockets from the edge of space. With 6 powerful engines and a colossal central wing, Rock is a mobile launch platform, redefining how we reach the stars. A true marvel of engineering and ambition. The Stratolaunch Rock is the world's widest aircraft, a flying launch pad that carries rockets to the edge of space. At altitude, it releases its rocket, which ignites and accelerates toward orbit. Rock then banks away, its mission complete. This bold innovation is paving a new highway to the stars. Our journey through the realm of these aerial titans comes to a close. From the Antonov An-225 to the Stratolaunch Rock, we've witnessed marvels of engineering, cathedrals of the modern age. These giants carry our dreams, goods, and ambitions across the world. Thank you for joining us inside the giants of the sky.